All right, this is the other plan where the government's giving out a ton of free money. So if your child gets the disability tax credit, so if your child has a disability, go to your doctor and say, hey, I want to get the disability tax credit, which saves you a whole bunch of taxes and also lets you qualify for something called the Registered Disability Savings Plan. Okay? Even if you have $0, you can get this account opened and they will put in up to a maximum of $1,000 per year for low and modest income individuals. So again, if you want me to, I can do a more detailed video about this, but you could Google it or you could talk to your bank and that person you talk to should know enough about this to say, oh, this is how it works. If not, message me. I'll tell you exactly how it works. I don't mind, or I'll do a video. But anyways, so again, you're struggling. You have a kid with disabilities. You're trying to figure out how to pay for yourself as well as take care of your child after you're gone. So go into, again, get the disability tax credit. That qualifies you for the Registered Disability Savings Plan. Open the account. The other thing is that they can go back years and credit you for missed years that you haven't had this account open. But there's absolutely zero reason why anyone with lower modest income, like it says there, and a child with a disability should not have this account open. Like you have to have this account open. If you add money to it, you essentially put in $500 and they give you $1,500 a year, up to 70 grand. So like 70 plus 20, even if like these things, they're trying to help people because they know in the future there's not going to be enough money or people to help your kids that have disabilities if you're gone, right? So definitely take advantage of this. If anyone's more interested in how it all works, I can do another video, but really it's just get the disability tax credit. That proves that your child can get the RDSP. You just go to the bank and open one up and watch the money get put into it.